Welcome to InstiQ. Every institute has a structure. Classes, sections, subjects, teachers, timings. And every year, someone has to sit down and define all of it. From scratch. New session, new lists, new registers, new allocations. Hours of work before a single student has even walked through the door. InstiQ lets you do all of that in under 5 minutes. And once it is done, every person in your institute, teachers, students, parents, works from that same structure automatically. Let us see exactly how. From your super admin dashboard, tap on Academic Structure. The first thing you notice is a live overview of your current architecture. How many classes you have, how many sections, how many subjects. Right now, since we are setting this up for the first time, everything reads 0. A completely blank canvas, ready for you to build on. You have 3 tabs here: class, section, and subject. This is your entire academic framework, organized in one place. And before we begin, there is something really useful on this screen. Tap the menu icon on the top right corner. You will see a step-by-step guide called Manage Academic Structure. 4 steps, laid out clearly. Step 1, create your classes. Step 2, create sections under each class. Step 3, map subjects to sections. Step 4, allocate faculty. Follow these 4 steps and your entire institute architecture is ready. It is that structured and that simple. Let us go through each step together. Step 1, create a class. Tap on Create Class. Enter the class name, let us say Class 1. Add a description if you like. Set the status to Active and tap Save. Done. A confirmation message appears instantly. Class 1 is created. And right from this success screen, InstiQ gives you a shortcut. Tap Step 2 and move directly to creating a section. No back and forth, no searching for the next option. The app guides you forward. Step 2, create a section. Select the class, Class 1. Enter the section name. Let us say Section A. Add a description, set the status, and tap Save. Another confirmation. Class 1, Section A is now part of your institute structure. From here, you can preview what you just created. When you tap Preview, a detailed card opens showing the section name, when it was created, who created it, and the description. You also get quick action buttons right there to map subjects, edit details, or deactivate the section if needed. Everything accessible without navigating away. Now let us move to Step 3, mapping subjects to sections. This is where things get powerful. You are telling InstiQ exactly which subjects are taught in which section of which class. This mapping becomes the foundation for attendance, assignments, exams, and teacher allocation. Everything downstream depends on it. Tap on Map Subject to Section. You will see that Class 1 and Section A are already pre-selected because InstiQ remembered where you were. Select the class and section, and now you need to add subjects. Since we are setting this up for the first time, no subjects exist yet. InstiQ shows you a direct link. Tap it and it takes you straight to Create Subject. No hunting through menus. Here, enter the subject name, English. Choose the subject type, add a description, and tap Save. Subject created. Now here is something worth understanding. You only create a subject once. Once English is created in the system, you can map it to any class, any section, in any combination you need. You never have to create the same subject twice. One creation, unlimited use across your entire institute. Go back to Map Subject to Section. English now appears in the subject list. Select it and tap Save Mapping. Confirmation appears. English is now mapped to Class 1, Section A. Look at your academic structure overview now. Class 1 is visible. Under it, Section A. And inside that, one subject, English. Your institute is taking shape, and you can see it building in real time. Tap View Detail on the section. Right now, the faculty column is empty because we have not allocated a teacher yet. That is exactly what Step 4 is for. Step 4, allocate faculty. Tap Allocate Faculty. This is where you connect a teacher to a specific subject in a specific class and section, and define exactly when that class happens. Select the teacher from the dropdown. Every user you have approved with the teacher persona appears here automatically. No separate list to maintain, no manual cross-referencing. Select the class, select the section, select the subject, and now set the class timings, start time and end time. Then define the occurrence. Which days does this class run? Monday to Friday? Specific weekdays? Weekends? InstiQ gives you complete flexibility to match any schedule your institute follows. Tap Save. Go back to academic structure and tap View Detail again. Now you can see everything: the subject, the teacher assigned to it, and the class timings, all in one place. Exactly the information a head of department needs, visible at a glance, without asking anyone. And that is the real value here. As the head of the institute, you no longer need to call the admin office to find out which teacher is handling which subject in which class at what time. You open InstiQ, go to academic structure, tap View Detail, and every single piece of that information is right there. Want to check a specific teacher's complete profile? Which classes they teach? Which subjects? What timings? Go back to your dashboard and tap on the teacher's name. Everything associated with that teacher is visible in one place. No files, no registers, no phone calls. And this entire setup, classes, sections, subjects, faculty, timings, took you less than 5 minutes. Now imagine doing this for your entire school. 12 classes, multiple sections per class, 10 to 12 subjects each, 30 teachers. In InstiQ, you build it once at the start of the session, and the entire institute runs from it for the rest of the year. The same process works for colleges and coaching institutes as well. The names are different. Colleges use departments and semesters. Coaching institutes use programs and batches. But the screens, the steps, and the simplicity are exactly the same. One structure, built once, running everything. This is academic management the way it should have always been.